probably the most well-known psalm of all. Psalm 23 forms part of this, I want to call it a spiritual trinity in Psalms. We spoke about Psalm 22 around Good Friday that speaks about the Messiah that will be crucified. It's a prophetic, a messianic psalm. And then Psalm 23 speaks about the shepherd, and Psalm 24 about the king. So if we lay it out, it looks like this, that Psalm 22 talks about the cross, Psalm 23 about the staff, and Psalm 24 the crown. It speaks about a coming king. We might also lay it out like this, that Psalm 22 is when the shepherd died, Psalm 23 is while he's living, and Psalm 24 is he's coming back. Jesus uses the same imagery when he speaks to the Jews, to Israel, and he says, I am. And one of the things that he said, I am, is he said in John 10:11, he said, I am the good shepherd. So this image of a shepherd is what guides this psalm. And we see in your Bibles, it'll say at the top, it's a psalm. A psalm is a poem or a song that was written, and it's been taken up into the Jewish scriptures and is now in our Bibles as also words of wisdom. So a psalm is a song or a poem.